Hey all! In the next 3 minutes, I'm here to reveal 5 of the hottest ClickBank niches you can jump into right now. By the end of this video, I guarantee, well, a 99% guarantee that these categories will earn you money because they've been proven to earn money for my students, my business partner, and me. In fact, these categories are earning us hundreds of dollars per day, every day. So if you're brand new to ClickBank, you can jump into one of these niches to assure yourself of gaining and earning money. Or if you've been making money on ClickBank for a while, these niches allow you to scale your earnings and commissions to the max. So, without further ado, let's dive into the first niche. Dating is one of ClickBank's most consistent categories. It never seems to go out of fashion, with a monthly multi-million-dollar haul. We all want to get laid, and everyone wants to be in love. Given that there will always be a market for dating advice, this niche is a source of easy clicks year-round. ClickBank's dating subsection advertises 300 creative dates, Cancer Man secrets, flirting formula, and the secrets of a love master. But what's really interesting is that these dating products really sell well during winter, when people are indoors and more isolated. You can do tests in Facebook ads library, and you can search for dating. And there's over 50,000 ads. So it will have a really strong niche. They've obviously tested well if they're allowing that many ads. Home improvement is a multi-billion-dollar niche, especially in summer when people are more likely to renovate their homes. This niche includes everything from new furniture and painting a house to doing a full home overhaul. ClickBank's home and garden category lists a variety of high-converting offers such as My Shed Plans, self-sufficient backyard, and tiny house. To demonstrate that this niche works, search for terms such as home decor and home improvement in the Facebook ads library. You'll see there are tens of thousands of ads running, more proof that this is an active and profitable market. Some home improvement projects peak in summer, but there's also year-round potential for promoting a variety of goods. Gardening could be another popular niche. It gets hot in the summer, more people work in their gardens, planting, trimming. And as you can see, there are even packages on ClickBank for that. You wouldn't believe how good they are. Look at the category on ClickBank called Self-Sufficient Backyard. For example, by targeting ads to users who have previously searched on Facebook with a certain phrase, such as backyard renovation, you can narrow down your audience to make it far more targeted. The process of setting up a Facebook campaign to reach the right audience is much easier when you have a specific goal in mind. Unlike a publicity campaign for your business, it's important not to dilute your Facebook ad audience too much. Instead, find the smallest slice of the population that you can and make sure you're still covering your costs. Dieting and weight loss are eternal niches, peaking in summer when everyone wants to look buff on the beach. It's a subcategory of health and fitness, and ClickBank is awash with it. Type diet or weight loss into the ClickBank search bar and you'll see dozens of offers, but be careful to stay away from scammy products by researching them and contacting the vendors. Validating this niche by looking it up in Facebook ads library shows you that more than 50,000 ads have run in the USA for diet and weight loss, proving the massive scale. People are always looking to get healthier. It will always be a consistently profitable niche. This DIY niche seems to make more sense in the summer, as people tend to have more free time for hobbies and projects. The DIY category covers everything from woodworking, home repair, and crafts. Do a search for DIY on ClickBank and you'll see offers like DIY smart solar, DIY dish system, furniture craft plans. And to provide further evidence of market validation, enter DIY and home improvement terms in the Facebook ads library. You'll find hundreds of thousands of ads in both categories. That's a clear indication of high market interest and demand. DIY appears to be a profitable niche with many sub-niches ready to be explored. If you focus on these 5 niches, dating, home improvement, gardening, dieting, and DIY, you will form your core skills, which will allow you to maximize your profits on ClickBank. These are evergreen niches, however, certain offers attract more attention during certain times of the year. Well, now that you've watched all of this, you need to take action and make money on ClickBank. Bye, see ya in my next video. Cheers! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more great videos like this one.